Bitcoin trades above $31,000, Ether stays below $2,000. Bitcoin mining revenue hits $184 million in Q2 amid ordinals fervor. BlockFi bankruptcy plans opposed by FTX, CAC and SEC. Crypto quant parent raises $6.5 million round led by Atenum Investment. Hollywood legend Steve McQueen honored as King of Cool in new NFT collection. Hello and welcome to 3.0 I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VDA continue to witness an upbeat mood. Bitcoin hit its highest level in 13 months on Thursday and reached $31,500 level, drawing support from fund manager plans including BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, to launch a US-listed spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
BlackRock CEO Larry Fink remarks about crypto, specifically Bitcoin, have also boosted investor sentiment. Fink believes that if we can create more tokenization of assets and securities, that's what Bitcoin is, it could revolutionize finance. Well, Fink has painted a positive picture for crypto but fell short of providing an exact time frame for ETF launch. BlackRock, Invesco, WisdomTree and others have approached the Securities Exchanges Commission for regulatory approval. Nasdaq refiled its application to list BlackRock's ETF according to a filing made public on Monday. Interestingly, Bitcoin miners are awash with funds from transaction fees, a multi-million-dollar windfall generated this past quarter due to the popularity of BRC20 tokens and ordinals according to Coinmetrics. In other news, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange saw its best June for Bitcoin futures volumes, rising an astounding 28.6% to $37.9 billion. Ethereum-based instruments also saw a hefty rise per CC data. Separately, the report also added that less than 10% of Bitcoin trading volume occurs on registered US crypto exchanges, with platforms like Coinbase and Kraken losing out on transactional revenue. The crypto market cap has added just over $10 billion in a day and has gone back above $1.210 trillion on CMC. Most larger cap altcoins are slightly in the red on a daily scale, aside from Sol and BCH, both of which have neared round-numbered milestones as well. US stock futures fell following a losing session on Wall Street as traders continued to weigh the outlook for Federal Reserve monetary policy. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 153 points or 0.4%. S&P 500 futures fell 0.4% along with Nasdaq 100 futures. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market value, changed hands 2.12% higher at $31,163. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market value, recently quoted at $1,941.61, up 1.58%. Solana Sol is up 8.11% at $20.27. Polygon Matic quoted 1.92% higher to $0.70. DogeCoin edged 1.65% up at $0.0680. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $13.03, up 2.36%. Ripple's XRP is gaining 1.01% at $0.48. Next on the list, BNB has added 1.93% to trade at $242.50. Shiba Inu was trading up by 2.28%. Cardano's ADA token was higher 2.14% to trade at $0.29. Polkadot was quoting 2.1% higher to trade at $5.31.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Bitcoin miners are awash with funds from transaction fees, a multi-million-dollar windfall generated this past quarter due to the popularity of BRC20 tokens and ordinals, according to Coinmetrics. The crypto analytics firm said that a formerly tepid fee market for Bitcoin miners has been suddenly upended with its latest State of the Network report, finding miners earning $184 million from transaction fees from April through June. Compared to $2.4 billion in Bitcoin mining revenue overall, that figure may sound small, but the latest transaction fee total represents more than the 5 preceding quarters combined, CoinMatrix said. It described the shift as an exceptional change influenced by BRC20 tokens. Launched earlier this year, Ordinals is a protocol that enables people to create NFT-like assets on Bitcoin by inscribing data to an individual Satoshi. Proposals put forward by defunct crypto lender BlockFi are an abuse of bankruptcy rules, according to a Wednesday legal filing made by FTX with over $1 billion of disputed transactions at stake. BlockFi's plans, set to be discussed at a July 13th New Jersey court hearing, were also opposed by liquidated hedge fund Three Arrows Capital and by federal regulator, the Securities and Exchange Commission. FTX, which bailed out the troubled lender last year before itself filing for bankruptcy in November, says its sizable claims against BlockFi have been unfairly downgraded by the proposed plan. Three Arrows Capital, which says it owed over $220 million by BlockFi, also protested that it wasn't being given a chance to contest fraud allegations, while the SEC said proposed clauses to release BlockFi and its management were overly vague and broad. Data analytics platform CryptoQuant announced that its parent company, Team Blackbird, has closed a $6.5 million Series A led by South Korean-based Atnum Investment. The company said it plans to use the proceeds to recruit for both its South Korea and international operations. The Series A brings the company's total capital raise to $9 million, with previous investment from Galaxy Interactive and Mirai Asset Capital. Hollywood legend Steve McQueen is racing into Web3 through a new non-fungible token collection, honoring his love of motorcycles and his reputation for being the king of cool. On July 14th, the McQueen estate, in partnership with Web3 talent agencies Verified Labs, contemporary artist Michael Kalish, Triumph Motorcycles and Web3 animation studio Immersive Entertainment Laboratories will release a collection of 1,000 generative art collectibles with varying rarity traits remembering the late actor. Sold on the Theta Drop platform, the project was inspired by the original portrait Kalish created of McQueen in 2022 with help from McQueen's grandson Chase. Collectors of the King of Cool Racing Team NFTs will receive a digital motorcycle shipping crate that they can pry open to reveal a one-of-a-kind virtual Triumph Bonneville T100 motorcycle. Revealing the bike will grant them membership into the King of Cool Racing Team and provide them with access to future token-gated content, events, and games. Each collectible also comes with a 3D Steve McQueen portrait, which can be viewed in even greater detail using a virtual reality headset or Sony's spatial reality display. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update of the buzzing stocks of the day.
According to persons familiar with the situation, Commodity Futures Trading Commission investigators have concluded that bankrupt crypto lender Celsius Network and its former CEO violated US rules prior to the firm's implosion. Celsius's native token CEL plunged 12% following this news and was trading at $0.15, down with a market capitalization of $37 million. If a majority of the CFTC commissioners agree with the judgment, the agency could launch a case in federal court as soon as this month, according to the sources who did not want it to be identified because they were discussing a classified decision. According to one of the people, attorneys in the enforcement team decided that Celsius misled investors and should have registered with the regulator, and that former CEO Alex Mashinsky also violated regulations. Moving on, Bone is a governance token for Shiba Inu's official DEX of the Shibarium Layer 2 protocol, Shiba Swap. Bone will also be used to pay Shibarium petrol fees. The community is now anticipating the launch of Shibarium mainnet, while a testnet known as a puppynet has been operational since March 11th. Despite this event, Bone was trading at $1.05, down 0.06% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $241 million. According to PuppyScan, the total number of transactions has hit $25 million. This is currently a testnet. However, once the mainnet is launched, all of these transactions will be paid for in Bone. Next on the list, we have XRP. Popular crypto analyst and influencer 24 Hours Crypto reported a remarkable increase in the daily burn rate of XRP in a series of tweets that drew the attention of XRP community, implying that $100 per XRP is unavoidable. XRP was trading at $0.47 with a market capitalization of $25 billion. The burn rate of XRP has consistently increased over the past month, with 247,000 burned XRP, more than double the previous figure. A crypto analyst tracked the rate and updated the community from at least 5 months ago, when the average incursion was around 2,800 XRP per day. The latest burn update suggests XRP's numbers may escalate daily, reaching higher values. Analysts predict a decrease in burn rates as XRP's value rises, with a tweet predicting $100 per token sold. Moving on, Doge cryptocurrency storage has doubled in value over the previous 2 days as trade volume also increased. Doge is currently trading at $0.33 and the market capitalization of $155 million. According to TradingView statistics, the protocol's native token increased by 43% on Tuesday and hit a high of $0.58 on Wednesday. The token's market capitalization reached a high of $223 million on Wednesday, up from $143 million on Monday. At the time of publication, the token had fallen somewhat to roughly $0.42. Last on the list, we have Tron. The Tron network is scheduled for a significant update on July 11th, and TRX and other critical indicators have been steadily rising as the upgrade date approaches. The impending Periander upgrade will significantly improve the Tron network, while TRX will see an increase in on-chain measures. TRX was trading at $0.07, up 0.65%, with the market capitalization of $7 billion. Tron's network's Great Voyage version 4.7.2, also known as Periander, features 4 upgrades to improve functionality and usability. These include an advanced stake 2.0 mechanism, seamless compatibility with Ethereum's EIP 3855, streamlined smart contract interface calling, and revamped P2P network module. The new mechanism allows users to customize lockup periods for delegated resources, enhancing their experience.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.